Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener, a time to nurture the gardens of body, mind, and spirit. I'm Marion Owen. What is it about making New Year's resolutions? We decide to exercise more, eat better, and weed the garden more often, knowing full well that these decisions will come and go like the weather. So why do so many New Year's resolutions fizzle? Experts say change is possible, but to succeed, our desire for change must come from within, not from peer pressure. Here are 4 simple steps to help you make and keep your New Year's resolutions. First, be clear about what you want. Instead of saying, I want to grow all kinds of potatoes, you'll see better results with, I'm going to grow 6 varieties this year and follow with 12 kinds next year. Second, set realistic goals. Otherwise, you'll get overwhelmed and give up. Third, make your goals positive. Ask yourself if they will lead to a better life for yourself as well as everyone around you. Lastly, be patient, especially with yourself. As Dr. Wayne Dyer says, impatience breeds fear, stress, and discouragement. A few years ago, I visited a friend who was fielding questions at the Northwest Flower and Garden Show in Seattle. A well-dressed lady stepped forward. I just bought a new house with an unfinished yard. What's the best way to landscape it? Over the next few minutes, my friend outlined the basic steps. Sketch a design, plant trees and shrubs first, and the lady scribbled some notes and then looked up. This all takes too much time. I want a garden now. And with that, she stomped off into the crowd. Not much patience there. Getting back to resolutions. Since realistic goals produce better results, here are 12 suggestions for New Year's resolutions. See what you think. 1. Don't check your email on Sundays. 2. When you see the first leaves of spring, give thanks. 3. Try a new kind of fruit or vegetable. 4. Don't use chemical fertilizers on your lawn. 5. Take a box of old magazines to the recycling center. 6. Drink a glass of water. 7. Give a bouquet of flowers to the most difficult person you know. 8. Visit your public library. 9. Plant an extra row of carrots to give to the local food bank. 10. Walk for 15 minutes in one direction, then turn around and walk back. 11. Take a picture of someone's hands. 12. Drink another glass of water. While these resolutions might seem small, I promise they'll produce giant results. Wishing you the best, I'm Marion Owen.